Hello everyone, welcome to PET Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 53rd video in this series. It means that we have discussed already 52 real exam questions जो students को PET exam में आए भी हैं. Along with that, we have seen the tips, strategies and tricks how to solve those blanks. So let's get started. First things first, now PT is accepted in UK for study or work or settlement, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PT academic. This is my scorecard where I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills, and if you follow the same tips, strategies and hacks, you can also achieve your target score in your next attempt, चाहे आपका target score 58 हो, 65 हो या 79 हो. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90. It is scored out of, it has 47 marks, right? So students, this is one thing which students often ask, and it is not scored out of 90. It has 5 question types and the order for the question types is fixed, and reading filling the blanks is the second last question type in this order. And this is the real PT reading scoring, where you can see the reading module is contributing just 47 marks. Out of those, 15 marks are for your reading filling the blanks. So if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. So they are quite important. What is our strategy to solve reading filling the blanks? First of all, you have to spend a maximum of 2 to 2.5 minutes on each question. You cannot spend more time than that. Second thing, do you have to read all the words, understand their meaning? The answer is no. 2.5 minutes में ये वैसे भी possible नहीं होता है बहुत सारे students के लिए. So what you need to do is you need to do the skimming. And in skimming, we teach our students the technique how to skim both to our online as well as offline students. So this is today's reading filling the blank. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and after that we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that what we do first, we skim the content, right? We skim the content for its tone, for its gist, and for tenses, right? So for tone, positive tone hai, negative tone hai, neutral hai, gist is overall central idea about that, and tenses, present tense hai, past hai, perfect hai, future tense hai, we get to know that. So this is today's topic. So let me start skimming. Rudman looks at how a poor understanding of maths has led historians to false conclusions about mathematical sophistication of early societies. Rudman's final observation that ancient Greece something unrivaled progress in the subject while something to teach it at the school leads to a something punchline. Mathematics could be better learned after we dash school. So अब यहाँ पे आपको आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं, बट उससे पहले किसी पर्सन के बारे में बात हो रही है, रुडमैन के बारे में. उसने बताया उसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है. ज़्यादा नहीं समझ आया, कोई इशू नहीं है. वैसे भी हम यहाँ पे समझने के ऊपर हमारा फोकस नहीं होता है, राइट? So once you have skimmed, then you have to do the parts of speech classification of the options. That is very important. And in our grammar course, we teach this skill to our students in detail. So enjoyed, right? ed है, क्या होगा ये? आप एक तरह से enjoyed है तो आप क्या कह सकते हैं? Verb भी हो सकती है. Okay? Wish is going to be your verb, or you can say noun also. Feeling is noun, remember that. Knows verb है और singular verb है. Radical change, radical thinking. Radical is your adjective. Trump noun होता है, right? जैसे डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है, नेम में भी है। ट्रम्प कार्ड होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं आई ड्रू अ ट्रम्प। लीव वर्ब है किसी चीज को छोड़ना। Okay, so why we do all this? Because we have to find the answers. Ab, let's start with the first blank. And what we do, read 3, 4 words after and before. That ancient Greece dash unrivaled progress in the subject. Enjoyed, wish, what we can do, अगर कुछ समझना है, you can do POE, which is process of elimination, and I say it as our best friend forever. तो एंशियंट ग्रीस क्या करेंगे? इंजॉय करेंगे, राइट? इंजॉयड अनराइवल्ड प्रोग्रेस, पास्ट टेंस की बात हो रही है। एंशियंट ग्रीस पास्ट टेंस है, पास्ट की बात हो रही है। तो यहाँ पे इंजॉयड भी आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे आप देखिए कौन सी कॉनोटेशन है जो पास्ट रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इंजॉयड की। अब नहीं करते हैं। एंशियंट ग्रीस मीन्स जो बहुत पुराने ग्रीस वाले लोग थे। ओके, so it's going to be enjoyed unrivaled progress in the subject while dash to teach it at school. To teach it at school. अब यहाँ पे while के साथ आप क्या कह रहे हो? एक तरह से कंट्रास्ट की बात कर रहे हो। फाइनल ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या की? जो एंशियंट ग्रीस थे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी प्रोग्रेस की सब्जेक्ट में, मैथ्स में, जबकि स्कूल में वो क्या हो जाते थे? दे फेल टू, राइट? सो द आंसर इज स्कूल में वो फेल हो जाते थे। ओके, राइट? कि वो स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा पाते थे अच्छे ढंग से, बट फिर भी उनके जो लेटर लाइफ में जो उनके स्कॉलर्स हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा मैथ्स में एक्सपर्ट बने। ओके, तो लीड्स टू अ समथिंग पंच लाइन। अ मीन्स सिंगुलर यूज होगा, कॉन्सोनेंट यूज होगा। ओके, पंच लाइन क्या है? हमारा नाउन है। नाउन से पहले क्या आता है? एडजेक्टिव आता है। So these are our grammar rules which you need to learn, need to understand, need to implement, then things will be very easy for you. तो हमारे पास इसमें सिर्फ एक ही एडजेक्टिव है जो कि था रेडिकल। ओके, तो हमें समझ आए, मीनिंग कंटेक्चुअली समझ आए ना आए, बट हमें पता है एडजेक्टिव फिल करना है, एंड वी जस्ट हैव वन एडजेक्टिव which we are going to fill it here. So it will be radical punchline. Mathematics could be learned better after we dash school, right? तो अब मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ा जा सकता है आफ्टर वी लीव स्कूल, राइट? कि मैथमेटिक्स स्कूल छोड़ने के बाद ज़्यादा ढंग से पढ़ा जा सकता है। तो ओवर हियर इट्स गोइंग टू बी लीव, right? So let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the correct grammar rules, it will be easy for you to solve reading filling the blanks. And this is our strategy. Coming to our strategy is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do skimming, forward reading, backward reading, and tone analysis. In lexical resource, we teach a lot of collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocab to our students. This is our complete grammar course where we teach parts of speech. You have seen the importance of parts of speech in just this lecture. Subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs, British English rules, sentences. All this we teach to our students in detail so that this doesn't only help in your reading but is going to help you in your listening and writing also, right? So if you are struggling in your all three modules, even in speaking, then you need to boost up your grammar. But remember, you have 2 or 2.5 minutes only to solve one reading filling the blank. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, what you are going to do is you are going to skim the content, then you have to do the parts of speech classification. Then in next 90 to 120 seconds or whatever time is remaining, then you can do process of elimination, and also you have to apply the strategies, right? The right strategies which we teach or which you have seen, like how the grammar strategies work, so you are able to solve your reading filling the blanks. Always remember that Marvel PT strategies are validated and proven strategies. Now you will ask the proof kya hai? The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have achieved 90, 87, 81, 86. So if those guys can score, you can also score. And this is our WhatsApp number 8699 121 121. If you have any question or doubt, You can ask if you want to take online coaching or offline coaching. You can WhatsApp us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to